I am Shruti Purviksha. I am 29 years old. I am a mother of a 7-month-old daughter, and I was a patient of vascular necrosis. A little about me: I am from Solapur, Maharashtra, and I am a legal analyst. I work for operations for Accenture that is my professional front. And okay, I would like to talk about my AVN journey and like everything about it. So I was diagnosed with AVN in 2021, August 2021, and further to it, I have gone through a core decompression surgery. That's what my surgeon suggested at that time, and unfortunately, in my case, that didn't work, and my grades were very progressive. In October of 2023, I was diagnosed that I was already on the 4th grade, and that's where the hunt of a surgeon and AVN surgery got started. That okay, I need to get a total hip joint replacement. When I started searching, my prime searches was for Mumbai, Delhi. I was searching the surgeons here after meeting, some 3-4 surgeons in different locations in Mumbai, in Pune. Also, I went to Delhi, and then finally, when I met Mr. S.K. Gupta, Dr. S.K. Gupta sir in Bhopal, I was 100% sure that this is the person I want my surgery to be done. As a very young patient, I was last 3 years of my life was in so much pain and discomfort, and I want a surgeon who understands my situation, who understands the criticality of how my social, my professional, my personal, every life has been impacted. And that's how I decided, after just in the first meeting with the sir, in the first 15 minutes, I was sure, no, this person is going to do my surgery. And in November of 2023, my first total hip joint replacement on the left side has been done, and in January of 2024, my right hip joint replacement has been done. Today is just 12 days of my surgery, and you can see with a smile on my face, you can analyze with a smile on my face that how happy I am. I am so grateful to Miss Dr. S.K. Gupta sir for the surgery. The surgery has been wonderful. After my first surgery, the things which I was not able to do from past 3 years, probably those might be very tiny things for others, but which have become very challenging things for me, I have all started doing just after 14 days of my surgery. I was walking with a little limp, but there are many things. I can see some incredible changes in myself, in my body, and I was so happy. And with this, from last 2 months, I was very excited for my another surgery. Just 12 days back, my another surgery happened, and I am feeling so good right now. I am grateful to Dr. S.K. Gupta and the entire Galaxy Hospital team for the best surgery they have given me. I would like to add one more thing here. I wanted to mention a very special person, Dr. Nidhi Gupta ma'am, who is also the director of Galaxy Hospital. I would like to thank her for all her help and her counseling for me throughout this journey. These 3 months with her was been an incredible journey. She has not only been a doctor to me, she has been a mentor. She has been such a beautiful coach who have given me a lot of strength. Being a avian patient from last 3 years, life have become so painful and discomfort. Personal, professional, all the lives has been impacted. And to come out of this journey, physically was not only the challenge. Mentally, I have to be back strong with all my gear up, and which I'm very thankful to Dr. Nidhi ma'am for helping me so much, and the entire nurse, the OT team, the nursing team, the take carers, everyone is so great here. If you are looking for any kind of surgery, your hip joint replacement, shoulder or knee, I would 100% recommend Dr. S.K. Gupta sir. You can visit Dr. S.K. Gupta sir in Galaxy Hospital, Bhopal, and this is by far my most incredible journey, and I'm ready to run now. Thank you so much.